guys, we have a review of a Hess toy truck 2014 50th anniversary. Now it's a really cool truck, and I hope that I can be like sure that that's like I don't know, but let me show you the box. What it looks like. You see, I have my SO truck box. You can see the side, the front, the other side, the back. See there, it says Hess toy truck and space cruiser with Scout. Now that means that the Scout means it comes with a little jet. Right here it says 50 years, 1964, 2014. Sorry, my words are getting mixed up. Now that we've seen the box, let's take a look at the Hess truck. Now I'm just gonna open it right now. And now here we have the Hess toy truck. Man, this is incredible. It's amazing. Now you can now first we'll start the littlest to biggest, because the little jet, the big jet, and the biggest of all is the truck. Now first we're going to work with Scout. So you can open it right here. Now you can see the Scout. Okay. And you can see it opens the wings. And there's a switch right here that you can turn it on with the light. Well, that's amazing. Now you can, when you turn on the lights, it's cool. It's cool when you turn on the lights, because if it's dark and you have a toy, sorry, my throat is just a little bit sore. Like I said, like if it's dark time and you're in the dark, get a little light for a toy Hess, for a little Scout. Now I see this has the H here. See very closely. Now it's pretty cool. They just turn it off. And what I like about it is the light turns on with the light. If it only had a button that can make a sound, just one button that can make a little sound, if you take off the Hess, the Hess right there, you can put it back here, then you can put the button where the Hess was. That'll be really awesome. But I still like it. Just put it back. And now you have the big, now you see the jet. It has green. What I like about it, what I really like about it is that it has all green in the bottom, and like most of white on the top, and some green. I love the detail that they made on the Space Cruiser. See, it has wheels. I don't like about the Space Scout, it don't have no wheels at all, but I still love it. It's very cool. Just put that right there with the truck. And there we have it, and you can see that you can press these buttons. And when it lands, sounds like it really lands. That's what I love the voice. Now let's turn on the light. Now let's turn on the light. Sorry, make sounds. That's cool. Go side to side. Then go up and down. Okay. Let's turn that off. And see, you have a button there. Then you can open it. See right there, you have the Space Scout. And you slide it right inside there. If you don't know how, I can show you closely. You just put it in there, right here, and slide it in until it stops. And then if you want to close it, just close it like that. Now you can see what it's like that. Now, let's work on the Hess toy truck. My favorite part. Wow. Look at this Hess toy truck. It's amazing how they make Hess toy trucks like this. What I like about it is that it comes with a Scout, and it has three holes. No, it has 6 holes, but I don't know why they have these little holes. But they have these holes to hold on to the space jet. Okay. And now here you have your whole entire Hess truck. Now let's just work on the Hess truck right now. Now you can see that that if you see on the bottom, go on the bottom, like black and stuff. You can see where the batteries go here, and there's 6 wheels. Roll it. It's kind of good on rolling. Let's see the front. Now, I like the colors. The colors, like all these colors, are Christmas. Like the white and the green. Maybe silver, kind of. And you see that turn on the lights. Wow. It's cool when you turn on the lights. See the back? It says Hess 2014. You see here? It says Hess. Now there's 3 buttons that they have right here. And see the 3 buttons. The first button makes when it starts the truck. That's awesome. See the second button, beeping the horn. Now the best, really the best part is when the thing goes up. That's what's so put the space jet, how you call it again, space cruiser on, then it would be much better. That's awesome. That's really cool. That was it's on for this. Okay. Now you get the space cruiser. Now let's turn on the lights from there. There. Now there's 3 openings. Well, there's 2 openings. 1 and 2. One's puts up the space cruiser. One puts up the scout. It's really cool. Now let's see how it looks like when you turn on the lights. When you turn off the lights. Let's see what happens when you turn off the lights. Turn off the light. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Now let's turn back on the lights. That was a very cool video. I hope you subscribe and you like my videos. Now I'm going to turn off the lights. Put that back in there. What I do, I just take off the, but I don't actually take it off because it's attached. Then I put it on inside the box. Now I hope you subscribe. I know I said that again, but I hope you subscribe and you like my video. And I hope you enjoy it. And bye.